Welcome to our laboratory. I'm Rose Pineda, your tour guide today. As you enter in the shop, you will see the shoe rack used for sanitation and hygiene. On the left side, you see the multi-purpose rack. Chef net is used to chopping, cutting, and mixing. The next one is the utility knife used to cutting fruits and vegetables. And the next one is the boning knife. Boning knife is used to separate meat to bone. The next one is the oyster knife. Oyster knife is used to open the oyster and clamshell. To the next side is the tool freezer. The one is chest type and the one is upright, used to freeze the meat. The next one is meat grinder, used to mix the meat. And the next one is meat slicer. This meat slicer is used to slice the meat. Thank you, sir.